tell me about your experience last week because we not meet each other, right? Okay, tell me. So then you can say hi to the video. Hi guys. Hi. Okay, go ahead.
And last week, I have scored program.
Okay, what is that?
I have camping on at yard of
My schoolyard.
schoolyard.
Okay, and then
And then
what happened in there?
it's rain.
Okay, it was raining.
Yes.
Right? It was raining.
Raining.
Mm-hmm.
And the ground
Okay, the ground.
is muddy.
Muddy. What is muddy in bahasa Indonesia?
Better.
In Japanese,
Ceplok.
ceplok. Okay, tell me another experience about that thing.
Then we move.
Mm-hmm.
Kita nggak jadi di sebelah itu.
Okay.
And then we choose the ground
Another ground.
on the ground.
Okay. I think maybe you have a game, right? Okay. And then what else?
We have game. We wear
Mm-hmm.
dress code blue.
Blue dress code. Okay. And then
And then we have apa bahasa ini?
performance.
Performance at night
Okay. Art performance. Okay.
on upacara unggun.
Okay. Finish. Thank you. Okay. Say bye. Bye.